Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, QQQ and SPY gapping down, but we don't have a clear trend. The trend is mixed. So we may have to wait until market open to see how the trend sets up. Tesla gapping down around 5.7% following its third quarter earnings report. So we may get some opportunities on Tesla. Going into market open, I'm more bearish than bullish, but I'll wait until market open to see how SPY and QQQ reacts and then define my trades based off that. We do have around 12 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. SPY staying strong. Also watching Tesla on my second screen. This would be a key level. Not in a hurry to jump in. SPX has the potential to retest the 3,700 price point. See how it faked out. Getting in around 445 on Tesla. I'm looking to add. Selling 2 at 5. One at 505. Okay, I got out. $250. I'll take it. I got in around 445. Got 2 out at 5, 515 and then 510. I went in with 4 contracts on Tesla because I could manage risk on Tesla. Crazy price action on Tesla. I think it's due for a bounce. Bidding in at 515. Just got in early because I wanted more than 4 contracts. Selling 2 at 540. Now just holding 2 contracts. I got out because if you look at QQQ, it was bouncing. That's the reason why I got out of Tesla. This level breaks, I think Tesla could make a decent move to the upside. That's why I'm hesitating. No reason to add now. And now This level of resistance is broken. Tesla moved above that level. Market staying strong. No reason to go short. Now it looks good. Trying to get in around 535. I'm in. Look to add. That is not good. Faked out. If it goes above this level, I'll exit. Exiting for now. If it comes down, I'll try to get in again. I think it's not that strong. Getting in again at 5. My risk this time would be high up this candle. Breakdown for me. I'll give it some time. That was bad. I sold 2 at break even. Close. Gave away my profits for the day. I'll be interested to the put side if Tesla wants to come down to this level. See how it's going against my sentiment. I'm super glad that I cut my loser. I got out around 420 and now it's at 360. Out. Anticipating a breakout. I got in SPX at around 930. 50-cent profit on it. $100 made up for my loser. Now I think I'll just shut it down. I think today I took around 6 trades. I'm feeling very good about all the trades except the last trade that I took on SPX. I was trying to be green on the day. I should admit that was not a great trade, but the losing trades on Tesla, I'm feeling very good because I managed my risk properly. So that would be it from me for today. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.